Rockets through the night shift, night shift. Oh yeah, rockets through the night shift, night shift. It's the night shift, baby. Oh oh, rockets through the night shift, night shift. New session, clean intent. Patience pays before the sense. Process first, forget the score. One clean trade, nothing more. Rockets through the night shift, night shift. Oh yeah, rockets through the night shift, night shift. It's the night shift, baby. Oh oh, rockets through the night shift, Practice strength, wait and win. Time and price tell you when. Breathe it out. It's time to clock into the rockets through the night shift, night shift. Oh yeah, it's through the night shift, night shift. It's the night shift, baby. Rockets through the night shift, night shift. Rockets through the night
What's up, fam? What's going on? Welcome in. Good evening. Welcome to the night shift stream. My name is Brad. I'm your host. As always, what a privilege it is to join you here every single night and try to make a little money. You know what I'm talking about? How's everybody doing today? How is everybody doing? Who we got over here? Who we got? We got Brad Petty, we got Frazier, Tashi Actor, we got Madeline, It's Wow, we got Devil Jinx, Dave Mack, Drops Homestead, Drup TV, Mark Frank JPN, Eaton 10, Dino's Den. What's going on, guys? What's going on? Welcome in, guys. Hope you guys have had a great day. So glad you're here with us. We're finishing out the night shift. This is our last night of the week. Thursday night rounds it out for us. It's been an incredible week so far. Highest number of views for the night shift all week long. When you add them all up, man, it's pretty awesome. Going into week number 3. So hope you guys have enjoyed it. I know I have. It's been a fun time here getting to hang with you guys. New trading day, more just up and down on the price on the daily chart. It's just mind-boggling how many days in a row we can just do the exact opposite of the day before. It's crazy. Tired of it. I was in Neon's stream today and I was like, can somebody give the market its medication so it'll start acting normal again? Because it's crazy. It's so crazy. The up and down and the volatility. The sell-offs are quick, aggressive, and the buyers just slowly grind it right back up, man, every single time. It's like we cannot pick a direction. We're right back into the middle of the gap. It's been crazy. It's been one of the toughest toughest trading season I've had in a long time. But we're grinding up slowly but surely. We're grinding up. How'd everybody do today? Were you green? Were you red? Were you flat? Did you pass an eval? Did you get a payout? Did you get funded? Did you breach an account? Did we have any fallen soldiers out there today? How did everybody's day go? Let me know. What's up, Gabe? Welcome in, man. This is the cool stream. C Wisdom, how you doing? GT6408, what's going on? What's going on? Risky, good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever it is you find yourself in the world. I hope you're having a great day. Sideways all the way. Yep. Yeah, it's crazy. Big job numbers. We got big news tomorrow. I'm wondering what the Asia session is going to do here for us tonight with all of the big news events coming out. We got headlines, man. We got non-farm payrolls. We got retail sales. We got earnings. We got unemployment rate. There's a bunch of big red folder news dropping in the morning. So I wonder, are we just going to stay neutral tonight, or is Asia going to try to run for some of this buy-side liquidity, as the ICT traders like to call it? We're going to run for some of these highs? Are we going to run for some of these relative equal lows down here? There's definite stops built up. We got the shorts piling in and all their stops are sitting up here. We got the buyers just absorbing all of the price. Every time we've come to aggressively sell into these lows, the buyers just quickly absorb it right back up. But you'll notice selling volume is way more aggressive than the buying volume. You see that? Anytime we're selling, high volume, and all the buying is just it's like buyers are just absorbing all of those aggressive sells. So I don't really have a strong bias right now. I tend to think lower. I've been thinking that for a couple of weeks. On the daily time frame, we're making lower lows and lower highs. So we are starting to get a little bit of some trend coming in where we're starting to trend lower out of this range. I don't know what happened there. I don't know why I just did that. That was weird. But man, all of that selling is just, the buyers are just absorbing all of it and kicking it right back up. Look at the crazy barcode. Pink, blue, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, blue, pink, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue. Like, it's literally just opposite season. Every day is the opposite of the day before. And it's so frustrating to trade this. It's so hard to come in with any real bias for the trading session. I feel like I would be looking, I feel like we could look for shorts right in the middle of this range. But I don't know. I mean, that's really how I feel. It's just like, I don't know. Looking at MNQ, kind of the same story. We're selling off. The range isn't, the trend down isn't as clear as when you're looking at ES. You can kind of see it like tilting, right? You can kind of see the tilting action overall in the daily time frame. The NQ, you definitely see lower highs, but it just, yeah, we're right back in the middle of the freaking range, man. We're right back in, we cannot pick a direction. And it's so frustrating to try to have such strong conviction about where you think price is going to go. For me, I'm leaning towards shorts, but I would like to see, like, if you drop down on some of these lower time frames, maybe Asia wants to run up again and take out the high like it did yesterday. That great sell-off in the Asia session we got last night where it took out the high and then just collapsed overnight until the London session kicked us back up. I don't know, man. I'm kind of vibing with somewhere around the 6860s on ES, which might correlate with NQ tapping up into these highs. This is the current weekly high, man. It almost feels like NQ wants to make a new weekly high here. I'm gonna move that because that's the actual weekly high. But man, I don't know about you guys. I have not really enjoyed. When I get into a position, if it's not a cheap trade, I just don't have strong conviction to hold one way or the other. It's like I want to be right, and I want to be right quick. And if I'm not, I'm just immediately like, yeah, I don't know. And I hate that. I hate playing those psychological mental games with myself. Welcome in, guys. Hit that like button. You know the drill. We get to 200 likes, we'll do a giveaway. Slacks is back. He's in Discord. We've messaged him. It's good to see that boy back with us. I don't know if he's in the stream tonight, but he's alive and cooking again and helping us out. So we get to 200 likes. We're doing a giveaway. All right. We're at 35. We got some ground to make up. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that share button, send it out on your socials, let everybody know to come over and watch the fastest growing evening stream for futures day traders. This is the place to be. This is the place to be. NQ is pushing up hard. We just opened, man, and we're just kind of running into the new into the 8 o'clock hour here, or into the 7 o'clock hour. Sorry. We're just pushing higher. We opened and right off of the HP level found some legs, and we're just running up. We had this big dip down and big V recovery. Like, what a power hour. This was one of the stronger power hours we've had recently. I don't know if anybody was watching Neon stream as it was just ripping up, or if anybody was able to grab any of that. But man, it reclaimed DD band and just shot up. It just shot up. Same on ES. Based out, buyers absorbed, shot up. The volume, like, look at the selling volume versus the buying volume. Notice the selling volume is a lot more aggressive than the buying volume. The buying volume is just absorbing all of this, and it's just grinding higher, 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 higher. The sell-offs are quick and aggressive with a lot of volume. Very aggressive. This is one of the more aggressive buys that we've seen offer after a quick aggressive sell. Usually it just kind of grinds back up and reprices right back into the zone. So I'm feeling shorts. I don't really have a good strong, all of my levels on ES and NQ are underneath price right now. So HP, MHP, well, really all we have is DD bands above. We've got some, we're right in the middle of today's half gap, and yesterday's close is right up here. So I don't know, man. We got the yellow lines. Maybe that's a spot. I'm having a struggle right now with getting a strong conviction on anything. What happened to me today? You ask, what happened to me today? Well, let me tell you. What happened to me today. The account that's closest to passing, we were down. I was down a little bit in the New York session, about $300. Scratched it all back and made a little bit of money for the day. Okay, so cool. It's great. We're still basically sitting at the high water mark of the account. It's like every time I just want to get that thing over the finish line, and it's taking everything inside of me not to go heavy at certain times just to cross it. But I'm gonna keep playing my game. I've been trading this one conservative. I'm gonna stick to that. This one, we had a nice little gain today. We're sitting at new account highs on it, 25,600. So we're about halfway to the profit target there. Then this one down here, we just have been trading it a couple days. It was down in the New York session about 150, scratched it back out, and we're back up to a little profit. So happy to see that as well. So we're just grinding, but we have some bad news. I went heavy. I was trying to, I've told you my strategy is I usually have 2 or 3 that I trade aggressively, and I always have one that I'll size up on to try to catch the right move. All of the other soldiers were watching this one go into battle, and they were like, "Where are you going? What are you doing? What are you doing? Come back! Come back!" He saw the grenade on the ground. He jumped on top of it. And he paid the ultimate price. One fallen soldier down today. But 3 alive and kicking and fighting on. So we will have a moment. We will have a moment. That's my first breached account in over a week. So I'm happy about that. And you can see I size up, right? I size up and then I size up, you know, he almost breached last week or earlier in the week, but we saved him, got him back out, sized up, made it back, sized up, went down. And that's one of the strategies that a lot of people use is they go heavy on a couple accounts just to try to pass them quicker. And this looks like the daily chart on ES and NQ, does it not? And if you're just on the wrong direction, I got in where I wanted to get in, and it just didn't work out. That's the way it goes. No biggie. No biggie. Anybody else have a fallen soldier out there today we need to pause and have a memorial for in just a moment? Anybody else have a fallen soldier we need to salute today? Anybody? Oh man, I got a bunch of messages. What am I missing? Oh, that's crazy. Sorry, my family thread was blowing up. I didn't know why. Don't be a hero. What's up, Dan? Welcome in. They will be remembered. Yeah, lost a funded account. Injured but not lost. Okay. Lewis Futures going short. I think I would like to see a little bit more. I think we're going to try to run up a little bit higher. I want to see one more pop up. We've taken out these relative equal highs here. That was my initial short play tonight when I first came into the charts. My first thought was look to get short around 68.50. That's Monday's half gap. Clearing out these highs over here on the 15-minute time frame. It's also where we've stalled out before. I want to see what happens. I want to see if we get one more push and back up into maybe the 60 area. You know, if you zoom out a little bit, you can see we're just right in the middle of the stupid range, man. It's pissing me off. Pissing me off. I'm still, this is the first stream on the night session before an NFP Friday news release. So I'm interested to see. I haven't gone back and looked and tried to find like what has it done before, you know, what's the Asia session usually look like before an NFP Friday. So I don't know what to expect tonight. I really don't have a strong conviction either way. I don't know how I'm just going to kind of watch how price unfolds and develops here. If anything, larger time frame, I'm still leaning to the downside, maybe 58%, not a strong 60. And I hate having that lack of conviction coming into a session. So we'll see what happens. No fallen soldiers today, but certainly have some in the recent past that should be on our jaw. We'll hang out about 15 minutes. We'll do a little memorial. Have a little memorial service for our fallen soldiers here. Don't be a sinner, be a winner. None here today, sir. Nursing these two baby Lucid Pro 25K funders to get them over their buffer. Nice. Here's hoping to a payout on Tuesday. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. I'll be with you there very soon. I have fallen. I'm showing patience after making bank and not being greedy. It's effing hard to control. Yeah, it is, Naaman. It really is. It really is. But welcome in, guys. Welcome in. I'm going to put a poll up. Right now. Let's get a poll going. All right, let me know your thoughts on this. Did you execute your trading plan today? Yes, no. What's a trading plan? That's the poll. Did you execute your trading plan today? And your P&L may not reflect how well of a job you did executing your trading plan. Your P&L might be red today, but if you executed your trading plan, then that was a win. If you executed your trading plan, that was a win. Whether you're red on the day or green on the day, operate your machine the way it's supposed to be operated. And if it's a good machine, over time, it will produce more green bricks than bad bricks. You know what I mean? So did you execute your trading plan today? Jay Wood says, I used my trading plan to rest my cup of coffee on. There you go. Saint EMZ, 3 trades, all long, all winners. Good day, lots of patience. Base hits, base hits, base hits. GG's, buddy. Well done. Mark Frank says, when I eat Taco Bell, I produce brown bricks. TMI, buddy. True, a profitable trade that did not follow your plan isn't a good trade. Yeah, I've told people before that want to get into trading, they've asked me about trading, and they'll tell me, hey man, I opened an account, and I took a trade, and I made like $2,000 today. This is so easy. Winning early in your trading career is probably one of the worst things it's probably one of the worst things. Because you don't have a plan, you don't know what you're doing, you're getting lucky. The law of averages were on your side for that particular instance of trading, and you got green and you got lucky. There's no 100% perfect trading plan other than don't trade. That's the only 100% trading plan that exists. Don't trade. Every other trading plan on the planet, every other trading strategy on the planet is going to lose at times. But what a lot of people experience is they experience a loss and they immediately try to adjust their trading plan. They immediately try to switch to a new shiny toy, find a new mentor, find a new Discord community, pay another $1,000 for a new course because they lost. Or even because they lost 3 trades in a row, or 4 trades in a row, or 3 days in a row. And they don't understand that you have to, for your edge to work, you have to execute your trading plan exactly the same way every single time your edge shows up. So, and sometimes it's going to work and sometimes it's not. And hopefully your edge is good enough that the profitable trades outweigh the ones that don't work. That's what profitability looks like in any business. If your revenue is higher than your costs, you're profitable. And it's the same with trading, especially trading prop firms. That's really the name of the game when trading prop firms. The name of the game in trading prop firms is get that your payouts are larger than the cost of eval purchases. Steve Wisden says, I made profits, but nothing insane or nothing to show me that this is what I should be doing. Only way from here is up. LOL. Got you, buddy. Spencer says that DD overshoot almost put me on tilt, but I was able to reel it back in. Well done. Well done. That's called metacognition, man. That's called not letting your amygdala hijack everything, recognizing what's going on biologically inside of you, your chemical factory, has misfired and is overloading your system with hormones that create emotions to try to protect you from something. And, you know, you were able to step back and view yourself from outside of that position and realize that's a false alarm. There is no threat. There's nothing wrong. This is paper trading. This is not real money other than the cost of the eval that you paid a prop firm to set you up on a paper trading account. You paid a prop firm money to give you a paper trading account. So that's the only thing that's the only thing at risk here. That's it. There is no threat. Can we see rocket scooter key levels, overnight MHP and such? Yeah, they're on the screen right now for NQ. You've got your upper DD band at 25,263 and a quarter. You've got your weekly hedge pressure at 25,015. You've got your monthly hedge pressure way down at today's low, 24,787 and three quarters. And then you've got your lower DD band just below that at 24,757 and three quarters. And then on ES, your DD band, upper DD band is 68.91 and a quarter. Your where's the I put the wrong tag on that. It should be dynamic HP. There you go. Your overnight weekly hedge pressure is 68.30 and a quarter, MHP 68.20 and a half, and then your lower DD band 67.58 and a quarter. 89% win rate, and that's a nice looking stat there, buddy. We're up to 71 likes. We got 182 people, 188 current viewers. We got to get those likes up, guys. Smash that like button. Welcome in. My name is Brad. This is the fastest growing night shift futures day trading stream on YouTube. On our way to the number one slot. On our way to the number one slot. 6 months from now, you guys will wonder why there's so many people in here, and you'll remember the days. You'll remember the days when you could ask me a question in chat and I could see it because there's not that many people in there. You're the OGs, you're the real ones. You're the what's making it happen. It looks like most of you executed your trading plan today. So good job, guys. 25% of you did not. The question becomes, why not? What kept you from executing your trading plan today? What kept you from doing what your trading plan told you to do? I wonder. Have you thought about it? Have you journaled it? What tomorrow is going to change to make sure that that doesn't happen again? AG Trader says, my trading plan executed. Lately, whenever I trade, I lose money, so my plan was to not trade, and I executed it. There you go. Remington says, Brad, I watch Rocket Scooter every morning and love Matt. First time tuning into your show. How long have you been doing this, and what does the overnight session usually look like? Remington! First of all, awesome name. That's the name of my golden doodle, who sometimes makes an appearance on the stream. We call him Remy, but his full name is Remington. We call him Remy for short. And brother, we just started our third week into the night session. Glad to have you. Thanks for being here, man. Hit that like button. Hit that like button. Help us grow this stream, all right? And what does the overnight session usually look like? Well, this week we've actually had some good moves. We've had winning trades every single night this week. We have found some winning trades every single night. So that's kind of what the night session has looked like recently this week. The first week I was on, man, it was brutal. The Asia session was just in a super tight, like on ES, like a 4-point just bouncing range back and forth with no rocket scooter levels anywhere near. So, but glad you're here, man. Thanks for stopping in. Appreciate you. Trey D is in the house. What's going on, man? Welcome in. Welcome in, buddy. Always see my show. What's up? What's up, somebody? What's up? If you lose more trades than you win, just flip your monitor upside down. I've never done that. Someone actually said one time that they hated going short. Like they could never go short, like on a normal chart. So you can go into your chart settings and you can invert. So now it looks like you're buying. Because they only wanted to go long. They would have to click sell, but they would invert their chart so that they could buy and feel better about themselves. I thought that was hilarious. They were like, "Oh, I can never make myself go short," and so they just inverted the chart. That would be crazy, right? Brad Petty, you want a boot camp? Oh, dude, yeah, you got skips. You were like on the wheel of names. Your name was so close, like 2 or 3 times last night. We gave out 33 accounts. Oh wait, didn't we? Don't we have an extra one tonight? Because the Rocket Scooter AI won one on the last one, right? I think we have one boot camp to give away tonight. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. Smash that like button. We're halfway into the first hour. Turning over that first hour and a half. No, we're just 30 minutes in. Oh, that reminds me. That reminds me. We need to pause. It's time. The bottom of the first hour. We just take a little moment. And we remember. We remember those little soldiers that we sent out into battle that didn't come back. Gone but not forgotten. We will avenge you.
They answered the call. When the setup formed, they stepped forward. They took the risk, and they held their ground. They executed their orders with courage, without fear, without hesitation, without complaint. They did not chase glory. They served the mission. And today, they have fallen, stopped out, breached, closed at the edge of the margin. But make no mistake, they did their job. They followed the plan. They faced the volatility. They stood in the fire so we can learn. The loss was a teacher. The pain was a warning. This is the fight for discipline, for mastery. And we do not forget those who paid the price. We rise wiser. We continue the mission. The objective remains. And tomorrow, we trade smarter. We stand stronger. To the accounts that fell in battle, we salute you.
Salute, baby. Gone but not forgotten. Gone but not forgotten. Our little soldiers. They did what they were told. They paid the price. I had one fallen soldier today. If you had one, pause, remember, reflect. Welcome in, guys. If you're new to the stream, hit that like button. My name's Brad. I'm the host of the Rocket Scooter Night Shift stream. Man, my initial thought tonight was getting short at 68.50. I still think we might have one more pop up here. I'm not convinced that Asia Sessions ready to just to sell off aggressively here. I think it wants to reach a little bit higher. So I'm going to wait. I don't want to long into this. If we break back aggressively underneath VWAP, I hate not having a strong conviction about a directional bias for this session right now. Yesterday, I was super clear. Yesterday, if you guys were here last night's stream, right here, I said I wanted it to run the previous day high because we closed back up there. I wanted to see it push up, run the high, reject off, and it did, and it sold off, and we caught great shorts last night. Man, we closed basically at the open. We closed right in the middle of the frickin' daily range. Look at this daily chart, y'all. This is driving me nuts. It's literally just do the opposite every single day. That's all you have to do, and hopefully you're on the right side of the trade. I think I'm still leaning to the bearish side for the today and tomorrow. I know we've got NFP news. This is my first session to stream with NFP coming up the next morning. So I don't know how the Asia market typically responds. We've only been going 3 weeks. This is week number 3 for this segment of the show. If you're new here and you're wondering, hey, this is the Day Trading with Matt channel. Who's this guy? My name's Brad. Matt is the founder of this channel, the creator of the Rocket Scooter trading tools. And he streams in the morning. He's doing a $100K to $1 million live cash account challenge. He's up about $550K right now. Over the last 8 weeks, pretty freaking impressive. And the Neon streams in the afternoon all the way to market close. And then I'm here every night, 7 to 10 p.m. For the Asia session. So for me, I think what I'm looking for is another push up before we try to see if Asia wants to sell off at all. We have cleared out these relative equal highs here on the 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame. It is an area that has held as support and resistance right here at that same spot. I just feel like I just don't have a strong conviction. Where are y'all at on this? Where are y'all at? Chat, where are you guys at on this right now? What are you thinking? Up or down? Up, down, or range? What are you thinking? Busted Trade, what's up, man? Welcome in, buddy. Christopher Seamus, I'm new. Welcome in. Matt is a beast. He is a trading beast. Absolutely 100%. I'm liquidity, just entered a short. Good luck, buddy. Down, I'm short on gold and MES. Bearish, I'm going short. Slow grind up, up. Dan says I'm not touching it until after China opens. Bust is long. Resistance at this level. Yeah, I'm kind of seeing some of the same things. I just don't think we're ready to just sell back off. We're trading above Wednesday's open, Thursday's open now. We just hit Monday half gap from that big gap down from the war news. So we're in the middle of the barcode, and I don't want to put any more. If I get into it, because I don't have a strong bias, I'm just going to wait. I'm going to wait. Not trading. Not trading is trading. Not being in a trade is trading. What's up, babe? What you got for me? Oh, we got some Tabasco. What is this? Tell me what this is. I see a fried egg. I see sweet potatoes mashed up, red potato, and some, is it like, what is it, like taco seasoned ground beef, or just like, just regular ground beef? Okay, cool. You want to come in and say hi? All right. Lady Darb is not feeling good right now. She's been sick. She didn't even teach tonight. She gave up her class tonight and tomorrow. That's how sick she is. You know she's sick when she ain't going to go into her hot Pilates room. All right. Well, thank you so much. I will enjoy it dearly. I love you. All right. All right, babe. Thank you. All right. So I got me a little poke bowl. We got our fried egg. Got some sweet potatoes, red potatoes, ground beef. That's what I'm talking about. And some Tabasco. It's actually, yeah, the sriracha, not the original. Oh, get that off. I can put a little, yeah. Little sriracha sauce. Let's go. Y'all, I got a good woman. She does not have a sister. I got a good one. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Great job, babe. I love it. Where are you going to put your soldiers on the battlefield tonight? What's your plan, guys? We have soldiers to deploy. Where are we deploying them? What makes the most sense? Where's the battle? You get to choose your battlefield. That's the beautiful thing about trading. Where do you want them to go fight? Sorry, how do we meet? We met. She was at a youth camp. So I was doing the music at a youth camp, and she was on the rec staff that just kind of like planned all the games and stuff for the kids. That's how we met. It's an incredible story. I've told it before. Last week I told the story to everybody. I can't remember the day. Definitely feels a little poppy, doesn't it? Good run up. But we're holding it. We're not really seeing a big push back under any of these lows here. It just looks like we've had a little retrace, and maybe we're going to make a higher high here. Again, I don't want to chase a long. I feel more bearish than anything. NQ, I think, wants to push higher up into Wednesday's close, up into these highs. I want to see what NQ does when it gets up here. If we get a strong like pop up and immediately pop back down off of this level, I might consider putting a soldier out and doing a little battle. Oh, we don't have our music. Let's get some good tunes going. Hold on, man. Where's my freaking...
Bulls on bottom, arriba let go. Liquidity pocket, fuego puro flow. Rocket scooter, we're trading bow.
We're up to 100 likes, guys. We need 100 more, and we'll do our first giveaway. We got 200 people in here watching. We got 200 people in here watching, and we only got 105 likes. If you want a giveaway, get those likes up. I am Rich. What's up, man? Not gonna make it up there, brother. Maybe not. I think NQ can get up to Wednesday's close. It's only 40 points away. That's the draw. This is the draw on liquidity right here. Look, here and here. That's the draw on liquidity that Asia's reaching for. We're gonna put in if you're looking at the daily candle, I feel like you're gonna put in a upper wick and then come back down into, I think we closed back down under Friday gap price, the big gap down that we had. I feel like we close back in there on to tomorrow. I think we're gonna put in, I think Asia session puts in the upper wick, and then I think New York sells off. But I'm like 56% about that. You know what I mean? It's not a super strong conviction. Tap that like button, 126, man. We're making our way up slowly but surely. We'll do our first giveaway at 200 likes. We can get there. Come on. Yeah, I think it's looking for the Wednesday. I don't know if we get to the Wednesday high and make a new weekly high. ES, I mean, for ES to make a new weekly high, it's got to run 60 points. I just don't see, I don't see us getting a 60-point move in ES on the Asia session here tonight. At least a big bullish. I don't see Asia giving us a big bullish 60-point move. Unless we get some tweet from El Presidente that the war's over, you know? I don't really see that as an option. So I'm looking for, where's the top end of the daily wick gonna be? Well, you can kind of look over here and see right about where we are. A lot of wicks all in this area, all the way back into October. This right where we're heading right now, that red line is the line of price, right? That's the current price line on your screen. A lot of bottom wicks here, a lot of top wicks over here. I would like to see it around the 68.60, I think is where I would like to see a top wick top out today on ES. That's kind of what I'm targeting, is somewhere right in there to get short from. The problem is am I going to be able to find, because that's out here, right? Where can I find a cheap trade right here? For that to happen, I kind of want to see it come up, reject, and then maybe get a retest and not make a new high. I have some highs over here I could play with, that Friday close gap price, all of that. I just don't know that I don't know that ES has a 30-point rip up in it tonight for Asia session. You guys, if you've traded the Asia session before NFP Friday, tell me in the chat, typically what happens, what typically happens in the Asia session when you have NFP coming out the next morning? What do you usually see? Let me know. Turn the music down a little bit. If they move down tonight, we likely push up for NFP. No way weekly high in Asia on war. Yeah. The opposite of what NFP does. So if we're rolling up for Asia, NFP drops it. Anybody else have an opinion? We've had such great trading sessions in the Asian night in the night shift stream this whole week. We've had really good setups. Need some more sriracha. We've had such great setups in the night shift stream all week. We've banged out winners every single night. I feel no pressure to come in and just throw, you know, just start throwing contracts at this thing. Especially since I don't really have a strong directional pull. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to choose not to trade this very moment, which is an undefeated trading strategy. Teasing my bulldog with bacon strips. Somebody says there's a lot of open liquidity around 26.1 on NQ. Yep. I think 26, for me, it's more like the 26.200 is where the ultimate liquidity rests. But I think there is a lot of liquidity from like 123 to 160. I feel like there's a lot of liquidity and we could see some turns up there on NQ. And for NQ to make that kind of a move, ES would probably want to get up here into the 6860s like I was talking about earlier. So I'm not just gonna trigger finger this thing in. I'm gonna wait and see what comes up. Nobody wants to be too far off sides before a big mark. See, Keith Matthew, that's exactly kind of the take that I feel like right now. It's like, I don't feel like the market's gonna want to just aggressively go in any one or the other direction, right? I think people are gonna want to, if anything, be neutral heading into a big news event like that. If I had to pick a direction, I would say range. Chessa says, not sure on the reaction, but mark the NFP high and low for the day and thank paper gains later. Yep. Distribution days are at 10 on NQ and 8 on ES. Yep. I Am Rich Trader has a 100% win rate when he's flat. Me too. Wow. Me too, buddy. What's up, Zill? Welcome in, bud. Welcome in. We're up to 134 likes, guys. If we get to 200 likes, we will do our first giveaway. So glad you guys are here. You guys are killing it on helping support the Rocket Scooter fam and the night shift stream. We are getting more and more viewers every single night. And that's really all because of you. Y'all engaging, y'all liking, sharing, subscribing, all of it. What up, Chief? What up? I Am Rich says institutions will just hedge. They are not playing a bull or bearish bias. We see that now since October. Yeah. Any moves up are getting sold, and any moves down are getting bought up. I feel like we maybe grind higher. I'm just looking for an opportunity to try. I would like to get short from up here somewhere, I think. What's NQ doing? What's gold doing? We haven't looked at gold yet tonight. Gold closed and traded underneath its DD bands. Opened and just still very neutral on gold. Silver open, popped up back to its open price. Bitcoin. What did Bitcoin do today? Let's look. Kind of sold off all day on Bitcoin. This is my favorite song. Let's listen. Semi-autobiographical. Based on a true story. Of yours truly.
Let's rewind. When the door first cracked open, this ain't luck. This is blood on the token.
2016, 41, punching in at the office grind. 5 days a week, 9 to 5, leaving dreams behind. Drop 10K straight from the overtime. Evenings Uber driving, weekends gigging just to stay alive. Ramen for dinner, Red Bull for dessert. 2 steps forward, 3 back, felt the universe flirt with my collapse. Red candles like fresh scars. Kids asleep upstairs, I'm whispering to the stars. Eviction notice taped to the door like a stop loss. Palm broken, my watch counting every cross. Kids asking that was dinner, I'm nodding yes. But I'm still on the clock, still deep in the mess. Wasn't overnight, 9 years paid the price. It wasn't overnight, side hustles every night. It wasn't overnight, rocket scooter lit the flight. It wasn't overnight, it wasn't overnight. Late 24, doom scrolling on lunch in the break room. Stumbled on rocket scooter, mess spitting tactics. YouTube live, no fluff, just raw edge and truth. Breaking down the tape like a surgeon with proof. MHP and EST, let the winners run free. His voice cut the noise, unlocked the key. Sign up that night, dove into the vault. Everything I missed at 41, now they whisper my fault. Still punching 5 days, but now the chart's so big. We can hustle cash, turn seed money. Finally seeing no way. It wasn't overnight, 9 years paid the price. It wasn't overnight, side hustles every night. It wasn't overnight, rocket scooter lit the flight. It wasn't overnight, it wasn't overnight. Overnight, yeah right, tried 3,000 sunsets, bled dry, clocking out for good, trying to trade full time alive. The crowd claps for the glow up, how'd you make it so quick? I smiled through the grill, son, this took every brick. Started at 41, 5-day punch nights and weekends fight. Now I'm 50 and free to trade my life. Wasn't overnight, 9 years paid the price. It wasn't overnight, side hustles every night. It wasn't overnight, rocket scooter lit the flight. It wasn't overnight, it wasn't overnight. Memory lane, it's a bridge, not a grave. It wasn't overnight, rocket scooter mad, you a real one. It wasn't overnight, from the dark to the dream. It wasn't overnight. Yeah, we making it. Ain't going back. Never going back. Never going back.
Tell me that's not a good song. Chat, you guys are killing it tonight. Drops Homestead dropping memberships for 5 people, and then I Am Rich Trader follows up right behind him with a bootcamp donation that Matt's gonna match times 3, so there's 4 more. So we have 5 boot camps to give away tonight. Man. Farina says, eviction notice taped to the door like a stop loss. It's such a good lyric. That's one of my favorite lyrics that I've come up with. I wondered if people have ever heard it because it's going so fast. I wonder if people like actually listen to the lyrics because I love the lyrics. Like, I get into the lyric writing of the songs that I do for this stuff. It's such a great line. When I was like working on it and stuff, I was like, oh, I was like so stoked to put it in a song. That's one of the semi-autobiographical things that didn't happen. That was just a great line that I had to put in there. I've never had an eviction taped to my door. Hopefully never will. But great line. It's a great line. What's up, guys? What's up? Hit that like button. We're at 150 likes. If we get to 200, we'll do a prop firm account giveaway. I think we got a My Funded Futures account to give away tonight. 50K rapid, in fact. But we got to get to 200 likes. And we have 5 boot camps to give away now because of I Am Rich Trader donating. If you're just tuning in and you're like, why are people donating boot camps? Well, let me tell you, Rocket Scooter Boot Camp is the best trading education on the planet. You will wonder where it has been all your life after you've gone through it. It's only $20. It's $1 a day because there's 20 video lessons in there. Matt does them live every other month, and he's going to be doing another live boot camp at the end of March. He'll do it at the end when the market closes. He jumps on, and everybody jumps in. And basically, we re-watch the videos, but he stops and pauses, answers questions, gives commentary, and extra little bits of information. It's fantastic. But people that have taken the boot camp, Rocket Scooter community people that know how good it is, almost every day, someone on one of our streams will donate a boot camp because they know it's so good. They know how much it's helped them, and they want other people to experience what they've experienced. Complete strangers. Complete strangers. Just donating money to complete strangers so they can take the boot camp. Rocket Scooter, Johnny UT, welcome to the channel. First time in. Glad you're here, man. Hit that like button, smash it for me. Rocket Scooter is the suite of tools that we use to trade with here. It's a platform invented by Matt, the founder of this YouTube channel, Day Trading with Matt. He invented Rocket Scooter. And it's a bunch of just, it's a forward predicting high volume pivot areas to work with and frame trades off of that is based on the underlying options market for like NQ and ES, so QQQ and SPY. And we use all of that to forward cast where in the session the dealers will be. We don't use volume profile. I have VWAP on my chart. I like to have it on my chart, but it's not part of the Rocket Scooter official trading strategy. It shows you where volume is and was. We show you where volume will be when we get to high volume pivots, and so we can frame trades. It has an incredible edge, and we can just frame trades around it. So that's what Rocket Scooter is. If you haven't watched Matt's stream in the morning on this channel, you need to check it out. He demonstrates brilliantly every single day exactly how to play it out. He's currently doing a 100K to $1 million challenge on his own personal live cash account. And in the last 8 weeks, he's taken it from 100K to basically 600K. Boom! Jay Woods, what? Another boot camp. YouTube won't let me convert to dollars, so here's $20 converted. $14.50, what is it? 14 pound and 50 quid. Is that how y'all say it over there on the other side of the pond? We have another 4 boot camps, guys. Look, this is what I'm talking about. People donate to complete strangers so that they can have access to this trading knowledge. Pence, is that what it is? 14 pound, 50 pence? Okay. What's quid? I hear people on like these British shows, they talk about quid. 1 quid is 1 pound? Okay. So a pound is a quid? Gotcha. So the boot camps go to the Rocket Scooter employees that run and operate the boot camp and the Discord to help get it all and pull it all together. $1 is $1. I gotcha. So all of the donations go towards the bootcamp employees. They don't go to me. They don't go to Matt. Matt, in fact, matches ×3 any donation. So for every 1 bootcamp that's donated, Matt matches 3 more. So we have 4 for each donation. So that's 8. Plus we had 1 extra from last night. So we have 9 bootcamps to give away. That's freaking awesome. That's freaking awesome. We get on a little donation train. People just, out of the generosity and the goodness of their own hearts, want other people to experience this. So we are at 163 likes, guys. We have 37 more likes. 37 more likes, and we'll give away a My Funded Futures 50K Rapid. We got a little work to do there. We got a little work to do. Into the 8 o'clock hour. We're just starting to chop a little bit. I still feel like I would like to see one more pop and then take a sell off of that. That's what I'm hoping for. That's what I'm looking for. I'm going to be patient. I'm not going to buy into it and anticipate that, but if it happens, I would short. We're just starting to chop. What's NQ doing? Same thing. Chop up here to the 15-minute time frame. Here's the liquidity that NQ might be targeting. Running into some resistance. This has been resistance before multiple times. Could be we top out right there. I'm trying to. Here's what I'm just trying to anticipate. Where is the daily top wick? Right, the daily candle. Where's the daily top wick at? We're gonna put in a top wick. We haven't put in a really put in a bottom wick at all, which makes me. We've opened and basically just pushed higher. I think I would like to see it make one more push up before I try to engage anything here in the market. That's what I'm gonna wait for. That's a lot of boots. That's a lot of booty. I don't even know how to give a boot camp but drop and give me 20. Matt comes on about 8:30 in the morning. 8:30 Eastern. He usually comes on between 8:30 and 9, a little before the market opens, and he talks pre-market and kind of what if he took any trades overnight, all that kind of stuff. But you can watch him trade. His account, just like mine is here, he has a live cash account, and it has the net lick, everything. It has the DOM up. When he takes a trade, it's all live on the stream. He shares everything with us. You get to watch him. In 8 weeks, he's made $450,000 in 8 weeks on a cash account. It's insane. Short 68.50 on ES Asia. Yep. I was targeting that at 68.50 was my first area to short from. And that might have been the right play. I just didn't have a strong conviction about it. Yeah, man, Pierre Perspectives, check them out. You won't be disappointed, man. I am not doing the 100K to $1 million as well. I'm just trading prop firms. Just trading prop firms on the night shift. We're working on some Lucid Flex evals over here. One's really close to passing. One's about halfway. One's about a quarter of the way. Dave Max says, Brad, if we took the boot camp in the past, are we eligible to win the giveaway boot camp? If your 1 month has expired and you did not renew, Dave, yes, I believe you're eligible to win again. Yeah, that's right, Mark. I'm doing the $100 to $1 million challenge. I have to one up Matt. Really, what I'm waiting on is Matt came in the stream last night. If y'all will remember, Matt showed up in the stream last night, and we took a poll, and everyone in the poll said. The majority of voters in the poll said that if Matt hits $1 million, that he should give me $500,000. Half a signing bonus as the night shift streamer. I would be okay with that. I wouldn't say no. I'd be like, no, you don't have to do that. Okay. I did not hallucinate that. I didn't even put the poll up. He came in and put the poll up and was like, the options were $0, $1, $1 million, or $500,000, and the chat voted that I should get $500,000. I think that's binding. I think that would hold up in a court of law. Not a $500,000? Why not, man? You wouldn't take a $500,000 if somebody's like, hey, man, I really appreciate you. I want you to take this and. I know, Farino, like no one wanted to give me the whole mill. I understand. He did all the work. I shouldn't get all the credit. Tashi Actor, no, I don't copy trade. I will rotate my accounts. I do not copy trade. Because one wrong move and you blow up every eval you have, or at least a group of evals that you have. I like to rotate my accounts in. So like on my first trade tonight, I don't know, I'll probably work on the lowest value account down here. I'll probably start with 9. Let me just go ahead and put that up there so it's ready to go. I'll change it down here too. I'll start with my lowest account, see if we can make a little, if it win or loss, no matter if it, I'll look for another opportunity and I'll rotate up to the next one, and then I'll rotate up to the next one. And that just keeps me from going on tilt. It keeps me from blowing up and losing and having more soldiers go down. Gives me opportunities to keep taking trades, you know, that kind of stuff. If there's a trade to take, not just force a trade, but if there's a setup that makes sense. He won't give me half, no. he won't give me half. He won't. That's all Matt's money, man. I don't want Matt to give me all his money. I work for my paycheck. I'm not begging for nothing. I'm not looking for handouts. The challenge of low accounts, yeah. I like, so I'm not a, for those of you who are just joining the stream and you're like, who is this guy? What does he do? Matt is a full-time day trader. That's all he does. Well, he actually does a lot of things. Trading is one of the things he does. He has a multi-business owner and operator. Neon in the afternoon, also full-time day trader, where his main source of income is trading. Not so true for me. I am not a full-time day trader. I am on my way. This is part of that journey and that process. I'm really kind of the avatar of the community, part of one of you. I'm on the learning curve. I have been trading long enough and have pulled out enough in payouts to have the credibility I need to teach and coach and demonstrate. But I'm still on a learning curve. I'm not making enough. I'm not making enough from payouts to support me and my family full time yet. But we'll get there, and you'll get to watch the whole process unfold. Maybe this year. I didn't say I wouldn't take a handout. I said I'm not asking for a handout. Up to 170 likes, guys. Let's go. Come on. We're so close. 29 more likes, and we'll give away a 50K My Funded Futures Rapid account. Just 29 more likes, guys. We can get there. Let's go. It helps the stream when you hit that like button. Helps the algorithm understand that this is the place to be. This is exactly where traders need to be in the Asia session. All right, I feel like we're gonna make a push. Come on. I just bought mommy some new stuff. I need to make more money. I'm old, so I call the girlfriend mommy. Oh Lord. Oh boy. Karina says, I remember Matt said he def wants someone who trades full time. I guess you were just too good to pass up. Well, Neon does trade full time. And he did say, I don't know if you also remember, he did say it would be really good to have someone that is a student, like someone who's been through the boot camp, understands how to trade the Rocket Scooter system and the tools, is a great streamer. And so I feel like, what the flip? This money goes to Brad only, Matt. Nah, I'm donating that back. We'll do another boot camp. I don't have a tip jar out. I think it's cool that he would put a student on. I think it's big of him to be like, hey, these students know what they're doing, and to watch somebody who's not quite there yet, who's close but not quite there yet, is I think number one, I think it's good content for streaming. People can relate to that. I think most people who are watching this are not full-time day traders, and so to see someone else going through the same journey in the process, who makes no claims to be the best trader on YouTube. Absolutely not. I have never made that claim. You'll never hear me make that claim. The only claim I've ever made about the Rocket Scooter stream is that I'm the best looking, and I will stand strong on that. But I think it really is good content. I think people can relate to what I'm going through and the process that they're going through, and someone who's doing the same thing that they're doing and is willing to get on YouTube every single night and be vulnerable, be transparent, be authentic. The ups, the downs, the blown accounts, the funded accounts, the payouts. That's kind of that was the whole goal of the night shift stream. Dude, we've got 3 boot camps. That's 12 plus the one from last night. We have 13 boot camps to give away. Dang, man. This is the best trading community out there. What other chats are you dropping into tonight? What other chats are you dropping into tonight that people are donating money to complete strangers so they can take part in the best trading education on the planet? Tell me. Matt's ego is big enough for the both of you? Matt does not have a big ego. Whatever ego you think Matt has on his stream, it's for the stream, I promise you. I've got to hang out with Matt in real life multiple times in multiple different settings and situations. And whatever ego you think he has, Matt is super chill, man. He's one of the best people I've gotten to meet and hang out with recently. He's just he's chill, super cool, so down to earth and just grounded. Like you would never know that. Like they have a really nice house. They live in a really nice neighborhood, but it's not like a mansion, you know, like it's not like it's beautiful. iDoc decorates beautiful. Their backyard project is amazing. Like you can tell they're well off, but you don't ever hang out with Matt and walk away going, "Oh my God, that guy's just a rich snob." Like not at all. Like he's just one of the guys, man. I swear, he's just super chill, so easy to hang out with, easy to vibe with. So whatever you see on the stream, it's for the stream content, 100%. I'm gonna scroll back up. I missed after the donation. Everybody started talking. Marshall I says, Brad, what do you currently do for a living? So I work for a church. I oversee all of the music for a mega church in the Houston area. I'm not gonna say which one. I don't really talk too much about that just because this is a trading stream, but I tell people what I do. I work for a church. I'm a musician by trade, an audio engineer by education, but I oversee all of the production and programming for all of the services at all of our campuses, which is about 10,000 people a week. So all the bands, all the worship leaders, all the volunteers, video, graphics, communications, everything. That's what I do for a living. Next boot camp is going to be packed full of people. It will be. We have given away so many boot camps. I mean, if you win the boot camp, you don't have to wait for the live. You can go in right now and start going through the videos on the boot camp. 100%. Like, there's no reason to have to wait for the live one. Drops home says, well, shit, Brad, I'm better looking, so you messed that one up. Old Cowboys, man. I'm not a cowboy. I live in Houston. I don't even have a cowboy hat. It's kind of a shame. I am Liquidity says, I live in a mansion, cardboard box off Highway 417, but with Wi-Fi. Dude, all you need is Starlink and a cardboard box and a phone, and you're good to go. Starlink, a cardboard box, and you're good to go. Matt is super relatable. He is. Yep. Adam says, Brad TBH never saw anyone drop that amount of info in a stream or a boot camp like Matt does, and never saw people donating back to the community like Matt students. You won't find it anywhere else, Adam. You're 100% correct. You will not find any other trading community paying for other people to take the boot camp. That's how good it is. And that's how awesome our community is. It really is. Busted Trade says you work for a church and handle music. Love that, bro. Thanks, man. Thanks. Martial Eyes, love it, man. Christian here as well. Cool, cool. I'm a believer. Used to be a full-time preacher. My wife and God made me take up trading. Did not want to do it. Cool. Awesome. Yeah, we're not going to get into the whole religion talk. I have no desire to. That has nothing to do with what we're doing. So I don't mind answering questions about what I do for a living, but that's all we'll go. We talk trading here. We're here to make them a little money. That's what we're all here trying to do. Just out here hustling. I Am Liquidity says, as someone who's 13 out of 20 videos into the old boot camp, they have changed my point of view of the market a lot. Yep, me too. You from Houston or just live there? I was raised in North Texas. No, I was born in Illinois in 1975. Back in the old 1900s, I was born in Decatur, Illinois, right in the middle of soybean capital of the world. But my family moved to Houston when I was in 8th grade. And so I always say I'm from Houston. We grew up in Houston and I've lived here pretty much ever since. My wife and I, after we got married, we did live in Charlotte, North Carolina for a little cup of coffee. But we moved back and then we've been here for the last 20 years. We've been here. Mark, I would like to see one more pop up before I get short. I don't have a super strong conviction. We're starting to chop. It's pulling back down to VWAP. It took out this little bit of liquidity right here. So I'm just kind of like chilling right now, dude. I don't have a strong conviction and I don't want to long and try to think we are going to run higher. I think we are, but not strong enough to put on a position to try to get long. I feel like NQ wants to come back up here. But we could just rotate back down, and that's totally possible. I just, when I'm unsure, I'm going to go to my undefeated strategy of not trading. And I'm just unsure right now. And for me, to put on a trade right now would be a gamble. And trading is not gambling. And if you're jumping in here to the stream and you're like, does this guy ever trade? Yeah, we've traded every night this week. We've caught winners every single night this week. But tonight, I don't have a strong conviction about what to expect, especially going into NFP tomorrow. I'm perfectly fine going into the New York session, letting all the news play out, and then seeing if I get a setup. And I know that there's a lot of people in the night streams. They're on YouTube. We have people pop in here all the time, and you'll see it in the chat. Does this guy ever trade? Does this guy ever take a trade? Whatever. Yeah, I do. But I only take trades where I have an edge. I'm not here to gamble. I'm not here to get a dopamine hit. And if that's what you're looking for, you need to take the boot camp. You need to take the boot camp because you'll learn how to have the right psychology, the right mindset, how to find an edge in the market, how to execute a trading plan, how to build a trading plan, how to execute a trading plan, when to sit on your hands and when to engage the market. And right now, I don't have an edge on anything at the moment. And so I'm perfectly content to just chill, hang out, see if price does get to a place where I could frame a trade from. And until then, we're gonna listen to some good music. If we get 9 more likes, we'll do a free account giveaway. A little bit after that, we're gonna give away some boot camps. Price action is a lot slower tonight. It's just a lot slower. I almost feel like if anything, we grind higher. I don't feel like we're just gonna unless we get, like last night we got some news. We got some news last night on Financial Juice a couple times where we got some very big volatile candles, very aggressive sells. And that could happen. The war's still going on. So at any moment, we could get a headline that just completely changes the temperature of the market tonight. Matt's not doing a giveaway. But yeah, man, if you're just jumping into the stream, welcome to the stream. If you're the first time here, my name is Brad. I'm the night shift streamer here on the Day Trading with Matt channel, the Rocket Scooter channel. We're glad you guys are with us. We're well on our way to being the most watched evening day trading futures Asia session YouTube stream. Well on our way. The only trade I would consider at this point is this yellow line is it's a very you can see how it acts as resistance and support all the way through. This yellow line was put on our charts way before price ever got here. If it's a margin buffer limit line, we just call it yellow line. If you get a strong candle close underneath that and maybe a retest, maybe you could get a quick scalp from like 37. You can maybe get a quick 7-point scalp back down to HP. Maybe. Nothing really here for me on NQ anywhere except maybe at HP. You might consider a long at HP there. It's just like one of the sessions where not doing anything is probably the best thing for your accounts. At least for me, that's kind of how I'm feeling. And we can check out gold. Somebody was like, can we look at gold? Gold is barcoding. Opened, popped up, dropped back, and we're basically right at yesterday's close right now. It's just consolidating. Silver, same kind of pop, drop, close to its open right now as well. Or right at its open right now. Does it stay above the yellow line below is not good, correct? Well, it's not necessarily good or bad. There's really not a good or bad. It's just what are you looking for? The yellow line is an interrupt, and so it means that price should pause there. And if it breaks through, if it's heading in one direction and it breaks through, like here, it came up, tapped it, and that's like what you would. If you're short, that's where you could get short at. If you're long, you would want to see it break through aggressively and hold, and then you could get long. Bearish, you could wait for it to aggressively break through bearish, come back up, retest. You want to see a close, you want to see a big close under there, which is nice. That's a nice strong close. You could frame a cheap trade around here, maybe something really small. And I don't have a super strong conviction about this, but you could put on, if you get a retest of this limit right here, and then you could put at 36, maybe risk 5 or 6 points for a cheap trade. And you would target HP at first. That would be your first profit target there. Risk 5 to make 7, something like that. Yeah, we get the Asian market coming online here in just a minute. We'll probably pick up some volume. Hey, we're over 200 likes. Pat yourselves on the back. Pat yourselves on the back. 200 likes. That means we are going to give away a My Funded Futures 50K rapid account. So type MFF in the chat. Type MFF in the chat if you want to be in the drawing for a My Funded Futures 50K rapid account. There's the Asia Open, 7:30, getting some volatility kicking in. I'll give you guys 2 minutes. You only have to type it once, it'll pick it up. If you want to type it multiple times, you're more than welcome to, but you only need to type it once. The bot will pick it up. And then we'll spin the wheel. If we get to 300 likes, I'll give you a Funded Next account. But we're about 80 likes away to doing a Funded Next account. About 80 likes away on that Funded Next account. I just really have no strong conviction on this. I'm going really small with 2 micros. I'm only going to risk about 6 points on the ES here. We don't even have 300 watching. Yeah, but people come in and out all the time. So like typically on the night shift stream, we have about somewhere between 3,500 to 4,000 people that come in every single night. And they stay for 15, 20 minutes, you know, and then they go out. But while they're here, they hit the like button and new people come in and replace them. And new people come in and replace them. And so all night long, people are stopping in and checking out what's going on. And they all hit the like button and it all adds up. So, yeah. I think I want to watch and see. We didn't get a good candle closure here on that 5 minute. You see how that 5 minute candle didn't held that yellow line? It almost feels like we made a higher high, higher low, higher high. This could be a higher low, and we get that pop this is where I would want to get short from, is right up here around 68.60. Because if we do, that means NQs come up and cleared out some of this liquidity up here at the same time. That's where it would line up. And so that's kind of what that's where I would do a heavier position, I think, from up here. But we'll use the small position for right now. Let's see, I'm gonna give you 55 more seconds. 55 more seconds. We're giving away a My Funded Futures 50K rapid account. Type MFF in the chat. If you're just jumping in, you've got 40, 39, 38. We will spit. Oh, God, I hate it when it does that. Makes me so mad. So annoying. Show me that ass, Aston Martin. That's a great song. All the music that you're listening to is AI music that I created, written and produced. Let's see who the Wheel of Names says should win. Wouldn't you know it? Wouldn't you know it? All right. Man, 254 entries. Nice, 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 nice. All right, you can stop typing. I've copied all the users. I'm going to take Rocket Scooter AI off there because Matt can't win. All right, guys. We're going to shuffle it up. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. You can stop typing MFF. All the names are in. If you're on the list, good luck. This is for My Funded Futures 50K Rapid account. Spin that wheel. Here we go. What? No, dude. NQ Artisan. What luck. NQ Artisan won last night. NQ Artisan, type something in chat, brother. Dude, you need to go buy a lottery ticket, my friend. You need to go buy a lottery ticket. Screenshotting that. All right, guys. We will, if we get, we're at 204, almost 240 likes, 238. If you're here and you haven't hit the like button, go ahead and hit it, because if we get to 300, we'll do a Funded Next giveaway. But we got to get to 300 likes. We got to get to 300 likes. Let's see. We're at 6 points. Yeah, I'm not just going to bag hold this. Let's see. What? 6 would be 42. I don't want to hold that. This is what I'm talking about. Having not having strong conviction, and like, you know, that was really more just to demonstrate how you can frame a setup around different ideas more than anything. I still want to see. I want to see a pop up. I want to see a pop up. That's what I'm going to wait for. I'm not going to do anything else. I've talked it out. I've said what I'm going to do. Now I'm not. I'm just going to wait. Yellow line did hold. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You could get long off that yellow line. If you did, you're in the money. Chart don't give a damn. Yeah, Knife Catcher Anonymous. That was the play right there. KCA. KCA, nice little V up. Nice little V up. Little sell off. Trap some sellers. V up. I'll tell you what, we'll do another giveaway. We have let's see, we had 3 people donate boot camps tonight. So that's 12 plus the extra from last night. So we have 13. Let's give away 5 boot camps. Hold on, let me reset the let me reset. And if you haven't taken the boot camp yet, and you would like to have an opportunity to do that for free, courtesy of the generosity of people in this stream, type in boot camp. If you want to win, we're gonna do 5 right now, and then we'll spread them out over the rest of the stream tonight. We'll do 5 right now. 5 boot camps to give away. Type in boot camp, guys. Type in boot camp. Type in boot camp. You only need to type it once, y'all. You don't get extra entries for typing it more than once.
Rocket scooter knows the truth in the flame. Rocket scooter might just save you from the grave. The chart don't give a damn. The chart don't give a damn. The chart don't give a damn about.
Bell rings, gap up tall, I'm already watching half price crawling bad like it on me, I'm loading the bag. Resilience green.
What lit into gold, man? What lit into gold? Just the Asia session open and they were like, hey, buy the gold. Buy the gold. Man. All right, guys, 20 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's 40. That's everybody. All right, we're gonna give away 5 boot camps. We're gonna spin this 5 times. All right, here we go. Good luck. Naming 2006 you. Type something in chat, buddy. Congrats, you're the first winner. Naming 2006 you. We have 13 boot camps to give away. We're giving away 5 right now. We'll give away 5 more a little bit. We'll give away the rest later in the stream. Naaman, you don't want it? Why did you type boot camp? All right, remove Naaman. We're gonna respin. Naaman doesn't want it. He already had it. I don't know why people type stuff in that you already have it. Johnny UT. Johnny UT, what you got, man? You here?
I saw you at the Starbucks staring at your phone, green candles in your
Johnny UT, man. Type something in chat. You're the winner. Let me know if you want it. I'm gonna give you like 20 seconds, bro. Let's go. I see you. I see you. Johnny UT, winner number 1. Take him off the list. Spinning up for number 2. Winner number 2. Bust a trade. Bust a trade. Let's go. Come on, man. Yo, yo, yo. You're winner number 2. You're winner number 2. Bust a trade. Congrats, congrats. Shuffle it up. Spinning for 3. Spinning for 3. Brian B. Dog. Brian B. Dog. Type something in chat. You're winner number 3. What a rip on gold, man. What a rip. Brian B. Dog, you're the winner. Okay, I see you. I got you. Winner number 3, Brian B. Dog. Spinning for number 4. Drops Homestead. You gotta go walk the dog. You can't leave. You just won. You just won. Come back. Bro. Bro. He donated one of the boot camps. Oops, I'm here. Okay, do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want it? Are you gonna use it?
Come on, baby, show me that peanut.
He's not answering. All right, I'm donating it to King of Big Mac. I gotta write that down. He's donating it to King of Big Mac. All right, I got you. That's winner number 4. King of Big Mac, you won. Spinning for number 5. Risky 8791. You're the winner number 5. Type something in chat. Congrats. All right, winners. Winners, you are going to go to the description in this video and you're going to find the link to our Discord channel. In that Discord channel, you're going to go to the contest channel and you're going to message our admin, a guy named Slacks. Send him a message, let him know that you won one of the boot camps on Brad's night shift stream. Send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID and then he'll hook you up with the free boot camp. If you want to wait for the live boot camp that Matt's going to do at the end of March, you can. You just don't use the code that he gives you to check out with. Until then, because it's a monthly subscription, right? It's $20 a month to have access to the boot camp. But you can go now if you don't want to wait. You can go right now and start watching all of the videos. They're in the Discord right now. You don't have to wait for the live, and it's well worth it. So if you didn't win, stick around. We still have 8 more boot camps to give away. We'll give away 5 more. You know, in about maybe like 30 more minutes, we'll give away like 5 more. If we get 50 more likes, we'll give away a Funded Next 25K Rapid account. We got to get to 300 likes. If we get to 300 likes, 300, just 50 more likes, guys, 50 more likes, and we will give away a 25K Funded Next Rapid account. Dadgum, dude. Dadgum. Do I try it again? No. It's not an EST every time kind of play. I don't want to chase. If it pops back up, I'll be ready. I'll sell it. I'll try one more time. I'm bearish bias more than I am anything. So
I'm up before the sun, cause I'm done with the cage. Tired of the 9 to 5, grinding soul sucking stage. Dreaming the beaches in Bali, no boss on my line. Waking up to my own rules, freedom by design.
Brad Petty, you don't think it will MHP? I think we could get to MHP. Yes, I do.
No more bills that trapping. I want the house on the hill, the trips with no end, the accounts that compound.
I'll tell you right there. I'll try it one more time.
But dreams don't fund themselves.
I'll try it one more time.
Blood and sweat.
We're making lower lows, making lower highs. Like to see it rotate back down. The open is where's the open? Open's right here. I'll try it one more time. I don't know if we'll gap down in the morning. We have NFP coming up. This is my first time trading the Asia session heading into NFP. So I don't know exactly the vibes that Asia sessions typically have on the nights before NFP news events. I don't know what to expect. Until I started trading during this time slot, I never really traded in the night session ever. Like, it was not part of my regular trading routine. I trade New York session. Occasionally we trade the afternoon session, but never really traded the overnight session at all. So it's a very new experiment overall, just to be taking trades in the Asia session. We've been doing really well the last week and a half trading the Asia session. We've been chopping out winners almost every night. But this, I number one, with the daily, when you look at the daily candles and you look at the barcoding on the daily time frame, it's so annoying. It's so hard to have any kind of direction or bias about it. And I hate watching the chart. I hate watching the price just print and not knowing, like, I don't know what to look for. We are close to HP. I think I would take a buy off of the MHP down below. I'm bearish. I want to see price draw back down. I want to see price rotate down back towards the Asia Open. But it wouldn't surprise me if we take one more trip to explore higher. It wouldn't surprise me. Gold was just ripping to gold. Oh my gosh. What's going on with gold, y'all? What in the heck? Silver too. Silver too. This is the hourly. Heading right back up into some areas of resistance here. Heading right into DD band. It's gonna be interesting to see if it can find any momentum higher. That's crazy. What a rip. Did anybody catch that rip on gold when the Asia session kicked in? Let me look at financial juice. Israeli military has begun a broad-scale wave of strike against Iranian infrastructure in Tehran. Spot gold rises nearly 1%. Drone attack on a U.S. Al Udeid airbase thwarted. A Hong Kong Hang Seng Materials Index down roughly 3%. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Euro stocks extend their gain. I don't know what's causing the gold rip. We're just chopping out a range right now, and I just keep selling the low. it's probably just more of a testament to the lack of conviction for having an actionable trade setup that has edge. Chinese market rotating into gold ahead of the line of the like 6 red folders we had tomorrow. Yeah. This is tiring. I know, Dan. I'm with you, buddy. Y'all want to write a Suno song to kill time? Or you just want to leave the charts up? No, I haven't exited the trade yet. So the first week I started streaming, this is exactly what we saw for 3 hours. This like 6-point range for 3 hours. And then finally, like the last week and a half, it's actually been moving and we've been getting really good action off of it and good actionable trades to take. And now we're just chopping and I keep selling the bottom. Make a song. Is there a Spotify channel for all the songs in here? The tuck-in song is pretty good. No Spotify channel. I think Farina, I don't know if Farina's still up and in here. Farina was talking about making a SoundCloud. So because all of these are AI songs, and to get onto Spotify, you have to use a distributor who goes through publishing companies and stuff. No one has officially released publishing rights to Matt to create a Rocket Scooter AI song channel because all of the artists own all the publishing rights to these songs. So I don't think it's the best way. I don't think this is the best thing to do is to do Spotify, but we could do SoundCloud because that's just individuals, you know, like it's not part of like a distribution company or anything. People can just put whatever they want up there. So I think Farina was going to work on putting together, like downloading a bunch of the music. I can give you the link to my this Rocket Scooter playlist. I can make it public on Suno. I can make this playlist is now public, and you can listen to all the songs that I've made, and you can even see. I believe you'll be able to see like some of the captions and control settings and prompts that I use to create. Here, I'll put it in the chat if you want it. If you want the Suno playlist, it doesn't have the night shift clocking out. I'm keeping that one on the stream. I didn't put that in anywhere. But if you want, you can get that playlist. This is all the music that I created and put on the that we listen to here, and those are all Sir Darb's. It does have the opener. It has the 70s porno night, the one we're playing right now. It's on that playlist. It does have the opener. But yeah, I'm keeping the night shift clocking out. You got to come to the tuck in for that. That's the draw. Playing with fire? Yeah. I'll cut it. Coming into the close of this hour, putting in a nice little rejection wick on that bearish time frame. We'll see what the 9 o'clock hour brings us. We'll see what the 9 o'clock hour brings us. We keep closing underneath that yellow line and then just popping right back up. Like we're not getting anything that's holding and rejecting strong. But we are selling off in this range every time we're popping up, we're selling off again. So if this is the range, this is the range. I just need to sell from up here instead of selling from down here. Michael Angford says, I love the stream. Thanks so much, buddy. I appreciate you. Thanks for being here. Drops Homestead. Yeah, Grandpa is in the chat. LOL. I am a grandpa. I am in the chat, and I am a grandpa. So my grandpa name is Pops. And I have, my kids bought me a shirt when my granddaughter was born. And it said promoted to Pops over here. And the year like 2025, promoted to Pops. And I was gonna wear it tonight, and Lady Darb said, you're not wearing that on the stream. You're not wearing that on the stream. So just back to the good old black Reebok shirt instead. All right, new hour turning over. I'd love to see a drop down. If it wants to go higher, maybe it's going to want to clear out some of this liquidity that's building up. It's engineering a bunch of liquidity there. Maybe we'll get a clear out. I can tap out in some green. Great grandpa then? Yeah, I'm not a great grandpa. Brad Petty, I got you by 8 years and no grandkids over here. Dang, there's a bunch of boomers in here. 302 likes. Man, you guys show up. You guys show up. You guys show up. Let's do type in funded next. Type in funded next. We're going to give you guys a 25K funded next rapid account. These are some of my favorite accounts to trade. They are the accounts that I have had the most success in payouts on cumulatively in one go. Over 10K in payouts with those rapid accounts from funded next. Great accounts. They really are great. You can pass in one day. You have 40% consistency when you're funded, so you can get paid in 3 days. So 4 days to pay out, basically. Pass, 3 days of trading. You can get a payout every 3 days after you're funded. It's fantastic. It's a great account. It's a great company. I don't know if any of you guys saw the email or the tweet, the post on X that Funded Next put out, but they put out a detailed plan or a detailed report of February's payouts, like how many they paid out, the number of accounts, the number of funded accounts, the number of funded traders, how many were first-time payouts, how many were on like their 5th payout, you know, that kind of stuff. Really interesting information in there, really incredibly transparent overall. It's cool to see that. It's cool to see prop firms letting everyone in behind the scenes of kind of how their company's operating. But Funded Next is a great account. Anytime I requested a payout from them, I would have it. It was approved usually within a couple hours. It usually took a couple hours to get to, they use Rise as their payout withdrawal plan. So it would take a couple hours to get to Rise, and then it would take a couple hours after that to withdraw from Rise to my bank account. So buyers just keep absorbing any opportunity to sell this. Buyers be buying. Gold pulling back just a little bit. Silver right up to DD band and falling off.
Look. Now don't be acting shy. You been talking, I heard every line. You online, always
That's not my
trying to
music.
look alive.
I don't know who that is. All right, you got 1 more minute to type in funded next. 1 more minute to type in funded next. And then I'll grab all the names and we'll spin the wheel. I mean, we're moving lower as long as we don't get a pop. Like, we broke structure here on the 5-minute time frame. I would like to see us just kind of draw back down underneath. I hate getting in and never seeing green. That pisses me off more than anything, that like as soon as you enter, it's just red and it just stays red. It never even gives you a chance to be happy. Not that my happiness is tied to the outcome of any of my trades, but you know what I mean. Into the final hour of the stream, the last stream of the week for me. This is the last night shift stream for the week. No markets closed tomorrow night, so we won't be on here. All right, I'm grabbing all the names. Let me get my wheel of names up here. Nope, don't do that to me. Don't you. Stop doing that. All right, let me get rid of all these names. Delete. Grabbing all the users. All right, I got all the names. They're going in. All right, guys, we're gonna shuffle it up here. This is for a chance to win a Funded Next 25K Rapid account. The more you guys use the code Rocket Scooter, the more accounts we're able to give you guys away on every single stream all day long. So make sure if you need to reset, you need to buy a new account, make sure you use the code Rocket Scooter. Good luck. We're spinning it up, baby. The winner is Ian99. Type something in chat, Ian99. Let me know you're here. You're the winner of a Funded Next 25K Rapid account. Type it up.
Lightning in the pocket puts the spark in the stride. Lightning in the pocket, electric groove, liquidity hitting with the shockwave move.
There he is. All right, Ian, congratulations. You're going to go into the description of this video, go to our Discord, find the link to our Discord, go into the contest channel, and let our admin named Slacks know that you won the Funded Next 25K Rapid on Brad's stream. Send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID, and you're going to need to have an email set up with Funded Next. Congrats, congrats. Hope you enjoy that account. Hope it works out for you. Treat that soldier kindly. Treat that soldier kindly. All right. We have 8 more. We have 8 more boot camps to give away. So let's do 5 more. How about 5 more boot camps? Y'all want to do 5 more boot camps? Let me reset the keyword here. Type in boot camp. Type it in, type it in. Oh, don't do that. My gosh, why did it do that? Type in boot camp.
that your time to buy. When the monthly mail starts moving, child, you better shout amen. Cause when Scooter shows the breakout, you'll get blessed again and again. Trades go up, blessings come down. Hallelujah. Lift that rocket Scooter sound. Hands raised high like a Sunday crowd. Amen. Trades go up and the blessings come down. Yeah, trades go up and the blessings come down. Oh, Scooter turned my red days green. Gave me hope like I never seen. Hallelujah, Scooter, hope I found. Trades go up and blessings come down. Trades go up, blessings come down. Hallelujah, lift that rocket Scooter sound. Hands raised high like a Sunday crowd. Amen. Trades go up and the blessings come down. Oh, trades go up and the blessings come down. In rocket Scooter we trust. In rocket Scooter we trust. Oh, trades go up. In rocket Scooter we trust. Oh, trades go up.
Sorry, I'm reading some messages over here, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey. Zooming down the chart on my rocket scooter, baby. Neon candles flickering, looking kind of.
Alright, I'm gonna grab all the names.
Blood in the streets, they panicking.
Let's get our wheel of names back over here.
Little dance again. Wicks to the downside, Vixen deck spike. But I smell opportunity, cooking on the bike. Got my helmet on, visor tinted rolls. When the price goes,
Alrighty then.
chase the pump, nah, I French kiss the
Alrighty then. Here we go. Shuffle it up. We're gonna give away 5 boot camps right now. We're gonna spin it 5 times. I don't know what that means.
Paper hands crying on the timeline, doing donuts in the bear market.
All right, cool. You're winner number 1.
In the rough, nah, diamond in the crash. Every 90% is a love letter in cash. Haters in the live.
Spinning for number 2.
I'm planting money trees while the bulls on sings. Feed it D season, more like cuddle season. I hug the
Yeah, this is not gonna be good. Ayel Kirao. I don't even know how you say Ayel Kirao. Winner number 2. Yeah, I went in on 2 micros on the break of the yellow, but yellow didn't hold. The rejection took over. And you're right, I did not have strong conviction. 2 small paper cuts. Ayel Karahu? I don't know how you say that. People like the stream in this segment. Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do. 350 likes, man. All right, I'm not seeing this person type anything, so I'm gonna remove them, and we're gonna spin for number 2. Bulls are just absorbing all the selling right now. Sin Seller 88. No, it wasn't you. Sin Seller 88. Type something in the chat. Sweet, you're winner number 2. You're winner number 2. Spinning for 3. Games X 1528. Your winner number 3. Games X 1528. Oh, you're too late. Ayel Karahu, you're too late, man. Sorry. We already re-rolled. You got to get in here fast. I see you, Games X 1528. Your winner number is that 3 or 4? Let me look. Hold on. Okay, so that was winner 3. All right, spinning for 4. Masked Trader Ricks. Congrats, you just won boot camp number 4. Type something in chat. Let me know you're here. Give the bro a boot camp. In-queue breaking. That's what we're talking about. Let's watch and see what happens when we grab that Wednesday QQ close, grab that liquidity. That's my first kind of point of interest here, which lines up. I would like to see ES get higher than that, though. I was hoping ES would be closer to up here. Who was the winner? Masked Trader Ricks. Did you say anything? Okay, cool. I'll tell you what to do in just a minute, okay? I'll tell you how to claim it in just a minute. That was number 4. One more this round. We still have 3 more to go. 3 more to go. JE6R. JE6R. You're the winner of boot camp number 5. Type something in chat, JE6R. Make sure you hit the live button on your stream, guys, so that you're caught up to the latest. You guys might be 20 or 30 seconds behind and you might lose your account. All right, Jay, you're winner number 5. Congrats. Winners, you need to go to the description in the video below. You're going to go to the Discord channel. You're going to find our admin named Slacks in the contest channel. Go to the contest channel in Discord and find an admin named Slacks. Message him and let him know that you won one of the boot camps in Brad's stream, night shift stream. Send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID and he'll hook you up with that boot camp, okay? We're gonna do 3 more boot camps, so just hang in there, guys. We'll do 3 more in probably about 30 more minutes. We're almost to 400 likes. If we get to 400 likes, I'll see if I can get Slacks to give me one more. Oh, we got a new spreadsheet. Let me go look at the new spreadsheet. Hold on. Let me go look at the new spreadsheet, guys. Hold on. Let's see what we got. Oh, sweet. I can, oh, dude. If we get to 400 likes, I'm going to give away another My Funded Futures 50K Rapid account. Let's go. We got 29 more likes. 29 more likes. We get to 400 likes, I will give away a My Funded Futures 50K Rapid. We already gave one away tonight. Slacks hooking us up. Thank you, Slacks. Slack's hooking us up. What? What? Dude, One Will Wallace, $50 super chat. Just gave you a like and a super chat for the cool music. Thanks, man. I appreciate that, buddy. If you want, I'll give you the, here's the playlist. If you weren't in here earlier, there's the playlist for all of my AI trading music. Thank you for that, man. I appreciate that. That's super kind of you. Appreciate you, buddy. Thanks for supporting the stream. Thanks for clicking that like button. You are the man. I appreciate that. The Discord link is in the description of this video. $22 more likes, guys, and we can do another 50K rapid from My Funded Futures. Appreciate you, man. I really do. Thank you so much for that. Games X, you won a boot camp. He's like, I don't even know what I even won. You won a Rocket Scooter boot camp, man. It's the best trading education on the planet. You won't be disappointed. You'll learn all about position sizing, trade management. You'll learn how to use the Rocket Scooter tools to find edge.
Snow's falling on the charts tonight. Candle glow on the boson light.
Man, I just, oh God, what a frustrating session. Frustrating in the sense that I hate not having a strong conviction. Frustrating in the sense that I had talked out what I wanted to see happen and wait for. Got suckered into the yellow line break, but it didn't hold twice. 2 small little paper cut trades on that one. That's why I went small, guys. That's exactly why I went small. Position sizing, especially when you have low conviction. 384 likes, guys. 16. We're so close. 16 more likes. 16 more likes. And we will give away another My Funded Futures. Another My Funded Futures 50K Rapid account with 16 more likes. And we got the donations rolling in tonight. We've had 3 people. We've had somebody give away memberships to the YouTube channel, like all the green name people. They gave away. Somebody bought 5 memberships for the chat. We had people donate 3 boot camps, which Matt matched times 3. Plus, we had 1 extra from last night, so we've already given away 10 boot camps tonight. We've given away a My Funded Futures 50K Rapid. We've given away a Funded Next 25K Rapid. And if you get 11 more likes, we will give away another 50K My Funded Futures Rapid account. So let's go. Let's go. The only unfortunate part of the whole stream is that I took 2 small little paper cut trades. Man. Nothing to type in yet. We need 300. We're at 394. 394 likes, guys. We're so close. 6 more likes. 6 more likes. We'll get to 400 and we'll do another giveaway. I have taken a gold trade. I've taken 2. I won 1 and lost 1, Brad. I am not a metals trader. I need to figure it out because I know there's a bunch of people in the Asia session that really want to trade metals during the Asia session. And I don't have a lot of the Rocket Scooter levels in here to work with, besides risk intervals, DD bands. I used to use VWAP a lot and range profiles, volume range profiles. Anchor, you know, the anchored volume weighted profile. But I just haven't spent a lot of time. Like I don't even look at it during the day. And so I only look at it at night, and then I come on and people are like, hey, trade gold. And I'm like, well, I just never have. I don't know how it acts. I don't know how it responds. I guess I could just go back to my old school price action technical analysis and try to find, you know, support resistance, some ICT stuff. But I just don't, that also makes me feel kind of weird because that's just not how I trade anymore. 397 likes. 397 likes. Y'all are trying. Y'all are right there, man. We need 3 more people to smash the like button. 3 more people to smash the like button. Show me that ass, then one. Show me that ass, then one. All gas, no brakes. It's a great song. I love this song. 400. 400. Let me get the new keyword. Hold on. Let me get the new keyword up. All right. Type in MFF. Good job, guys. Good job. That's what I'm talking about, Chad. That's what I'm talking about. You guys show up. You guys support the channel, and because you do, we reward you. The more you hit the like, the more accounts we can give away. The more you use code Rocket Scooter when you check out with your favorite prop firm, the more accounts we can give away. So we appreciate the way that you support us. We appreciate you showing up. We appreciate you smashing that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Share it. We are on our way to being the #1 most watched evening stream trader in YouTube land. So close. It's gonna grab it. Just a melt up, man. I just totally misread that today. Well, I didn't really misread it. I also just didn't follow the talked out trade frame that I had in my mind following the lack of conviction. Still gets us, man. Still gets us. Had one little soldier take a little nick. Show me that Aston Martin. We already listened to this one. Let's come up here. Let's find some. Let's find some stuff up here. Well, I like this one. This one I like this song a lot. It's like a British barroom band. Yakin, we're doing a giveaway, man. We're doing a giveaway. You can stop all caps, and we're doing a giveaway, buddy. We're typing MFF. That's the keyword to type in if you want to be entered into the drawing for a 50K MyFunded Futures Rapid account. Type MFF. And in about, let me see here. Let me see. In about 1 more minute, we're gonna draw a name and see who wins. You got 1 more minute, guys.
Scooters idling nice. Load the clip, reload the vice.
All right. Let me grab my wheel. Why? Why? Slap that gap. All right, guys, we're gonna grab all the names, copying them over. Here we go. 210 entries. My gosh. We're shuffling, we're shuffling, we're shuffling. All the names are in. You can stop typing. All the names are in. All the names are in. We're gonna spin the wheel for a 50K My Funded Futures Rapid account. Good luck, good luck. Simran LF. Type something in chat if you're here, Simran LF. Let me know you're here. You're the winner of a My Funded Futures 50K Rapid. Let me know you're here. I'm going to give you about 30 seconds. Simran LF. There he is. Pikachu. All right, congrats, congrats. You're going to go to the link in the description. You'll find a link in the description of this video to our Discord channel. Go into the contest channel and message our admin named Slacks and let them know you won one of the My Funded Futures 50K Rapid on Brad's night shift stream. Send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID, and you're going to need to have an email set up with My Funded Futures, and then he'll hook you up. All right, congratulations, man. Hope that works out for you. Guys, don't go anywhere. We still have 3 more boot camps to give away. We'll give those away in about 15 minutes. We'll give away 3 more boot camps. Guys, you did awesome tonight. We got up to 422 likes. That's just badass. Thank you so much for doing that. I really appreciate it. Really, really appreciate that, guys. You guys are killing it. I appreciate the way you support this stream every single night for the last 3 weeks. You pole vaulted us into the #1 most watched Days of Session stream. I love it. I love it. I love it. Is there a trick to winning? No, no trick, man. It's just RNG, you know? Just RNG. I uploaded a new song to Discord. Okay, cool, cool. Let's go listen. Let's go listen. Fraser put a new song in the song submission channel. Let's go check it out. Mbala. Rich Trader has one. Oh, he put something in there. I don't know what that is. Oh, he wrote a song. All right, we'll listen to Rich's first, and then Fraser will listen to yours. Is Neon calls you Fraser? Is it Fraser or Fraser? I think it's Fraser. I always hear Neon call you Fraser. This is I Am Rich Traders. Guys, if you want to write AI songs and submit them to play on the stream, you can go do that and then just drop them in our song submission channel. Frey, that's what I thought it was. Fraser. Like the old sitcom with Kelsey Grammer, Frasier. Trading machine, following liquidity, feeling the hedge pressure, step by step, risk management's my treasure. I don't follow Wall Street's clamor and scam. I'm a rocket scooter man doing what I can. All the way to Mars and back, attack, attack, attack. InQ just not want to take that high out. That's what I see, that's why it's a good day for me. You never correct him. You gotta correct him, man. Be like, hey, bro, Neon. Ray. You got one in there too, Handsome Dan? If he comes in the stream, sometimes he comes in for the tuck in. I'll let him know. I'll break the ice for you.
Through the ups and downs, I'll thrive. With strategy, I will survive.
It's got like a little New Orleans swing.
All the way to Mars and back. Attack, attack, attack with attack. With probability, that's what I see. That's
Yes, never made a new high. Neutral and Q marking out. Yeah, dude. I just don't know what to make of this. I just don't know what to make of this. This has probably been top 3 most frustrating Asia sessions for me since I've started streaming here. Nothing clear. Not anywhere close to any levels other than just that open right off of HP for NQ. That was it. That's the only thing, man. That's a pretty good song. All right, let's listen to the next one here. Mission Control.
Mission control. Rocket scooter ready, we about to roll.
One Will Wallace. Yeah, we have a server on Discord. You can find that linked in our description. There are some public channels like the contest channel, the song submission channel, but like all the boot camp stuff, you have to pay to have access to the boot camp and to the Rocket Scooter tool suite. But there are public channels in there that you can go in that we all hang out. Yeah, I'm using the Rocket Scooter tools. So the levels that are Rocket Scooter levels, I'll show you the levels. So our DD bands at the top and the bottom, our dynamic MHP orange line, our dynamic HP green line, and the yellow line are the Rocket Scooter levels. We're a little limited on all of the Rocket Scooter stuff. A lot of the power tools that really make Rocket Scooter cook with the secret sauce are only available in the New York session because they are tied to the underlying instruments and stocks that the options markets that we build all of the tools off of operate. So all of the others, I'll show you the platform. So on this platform, you can see like here's SPY, right? You can see all of our liquidity maps. You can see resilience. So liquidity maps, when the market opens, it tells us here's your 1A trade, here's your 1B trade, here's the level that you're going to look off of it for, here's the position sizing you should use. You have bear zone, bull zones, which are liquidity pockets. We have resilience indicators, which tell us the strength of the market, and when it reaches, so the orange is the strength of the market if it ever reaches the orange, the blue is for the blue, and the white is for the white, like inside the box. So we have a lot of extra tools that we use and a lot of other areas of interest to trade off of, but they're all based on the New York Open session where the options market data is available. So in the evening session, we don't have that. All we have are the overnight levels to work with, which are still very powerful and still very much able to trade off of and make money off of. But yeah, the real secret sauce with Rocket Tools is definitely in that New York session for sure. Good song, dude. I like that. Fraser, ticks in the neon. I like the graphic. Look at that. I like that. That's sweet. That's sweet. I like it. Let me I'll bring it. I'll shrink it down a little bit. Hold on. I'll get the song going. Give me 1 second. Ticks in the Neon by Fraser.
Driving bass, tight drum. 'em, jangly guitar. 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 'Em, jangly gui Midnight screen.
Yeah, Neon might like this. It's got Neon in the name. Of course he'll like it.
Coffee steam and a racing heart. Candles flickering, red and green. Chasing shadows on a future screen. The open bell is a distant roar. Numbers dancing across the floor. Every tick like a pulse in time. Edge of chaos, edge of rhyme. Lines I drew in the quiet night. Now they hold in the morning light. We're riding ticks in the neon glow.
That's cool.
Long and short, where the markets go. Through the noise and the flashing streams. Trading time on electric dreams. Hold the line when the pressure grows. Let it run when the breakout shows. Every risk, every game we own in the future zone. Jangle guitars cut through the haze. Momentum rising in tangled waves. Liquidity pools and fading fear. The tape is whispering, stay right here. News hits fast.
We still got 3 boot camps to give away, guys, and we'll do that in about 5 minutes. So hang in there. We got a little more to do. This is a cool, Fraser, this is great, man. Great groove.
Waiting the book below like a tide. Getting set to flow. We're riding ticks in the neon glow. Long and short, where the markets go. Through the noise and the flashing streams. Trading time on electric dreams. Hold the line when the pressure grows.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about.
Breakout show.
You can use those prompts, man.
Risk every game we own in the future.
Yeah, if you like a song in there and you like how it feels, grab that prompt, man. I work hard on my prompts, just as a music producer and really dialing them in.
Liquidity
So if there's a song that you like and you hear it and you like, you can grab that prompt and you can you'll be able to get something close.
contracts, risk defined. Let the market tell the story. No hero trades, no chasing ghosts, just structure, patience, execution. Because every candle is just another chance to get it right.
Oh yeah. That's a great break right there.
We're riding ticks in the neon glow. Through the hit, through the highs and the undertow. Charts like constellations shine.
Alicia, welcome in. How's the night been? It's been frustrating. It's been slow. No real conviction on either side. No real good trade setups. It's been frustrating. But I mean, you know, it's all good. We've been chilling with chat. We've been having a good time. Welcome in. Smash that like button. Thanks for being here. We're listening to one of the guys in chat drop this in our song submission channel. We're listening to his new song. Pretty badass. Well done. Well done, Fraser. Well done. I like it. I like it. Nice. All right, guys. We have 3 more boot camps to give away. So let me clear out all the messages here and type in the word boot camp. We're going to give away our last 3 boot camps. Type in boot camp. This is your last chance tonight. Type in boot camp if you want to win one of the last 3 boot camps we're giving away. C Wisdom, thanks for coming in, buddy. The Lucid Flex 25Ks are fantastic, Marianne. I love them. I trade them. They're super. They're the lowest drawdown to profit ratio that you're going to get. They're the least expensive 25K account out there right now, which means I can buy a lot of them and I can have a lot of shots on goal. That's why I use the 25Ks. I can spread out my budget that I have to buy evals. I can spread that out a lot further with the 25Ks, and that gives me a lot more opportunities to get to a payout. Type in boot camp, guys. Let's get some tunes back up here. Let's go. I like this song too. Little redneck country swamp blues.
Sat there watching, heart locked tight. Signal was flashing, but I froze on sight. Price took off like a runaway train, left me behind with nothing but shame. Had the shot, but I let it slip. Fear in my veins, no strength in my grip. No guts, no glory. That's my story. Watch that rocket run clean over me. Boots nailed down while the price rolled free. That's my story. No good. No good.
Slacks, what up?
Every tick higher is a nail in my hide. Should have been right.
Slightly purty mouth. I'm so glad to see you back in the chat, Slacks. I was worried about you, buddy.
No guts, no guts, no glory. That's my story. Watch that rocket run clean over me. Boots nailed down while the price rolled free. That's my story. No guts, no glory. You don't get paid staring at down. No crown for
I love this song. I've been lurking, but on phone for most of it. All right. Thanks for getting that schedule worked out, man. It helps us get those giveaways out. Everybody's like, I want giveaways. Dude, I don't know, man. I dig banjo. I think banjo is a pretty underrated instrument.
No glory. That's my story. Watch that rocket run clean over me. Boots nailed down while the price rolled free. That's my story. No good.
Oh yeah, all the bluegrass stuff for sure.
No glory. No glory. No guts.
No guts, no glory.
No glory.
That's the name of it. It's on the playlist. No guts, no glory. Dueling banjos. Yep. Harmonica, banjo. Sick. Boot stomping. Oh, that's a great song. All right, let me grab all the names. Let me grab all the names and we'll spin it up. Get rid of all these guys. And here we go. Dumping them in. All right, guys, we're going to do 3 boot camps. Good luck. 3 more. Winner spin number 1. Slacks, did you see the donations we had for tonight's stream? Congrats, Sean MC. You're the winner. Type something in chat. Type something in chat, Sean. Sean MC. I overheard most but wasn't watching. Okay, cool. Well, we had 3 boot camp donations and a $50 super chat. Pretty crazy. Was Sean here? Okay, cool. Sean, got you, buddy. Got you. Taking a screenshot. Send all this to Slacks later. All right. Spinning up for number 2. How much money you make? I have lost money tonight on 2 stupid trades. Dude, drops Homestead again? Bruh. Bruh. Is he even here? I mean, he typed it in. He has to be here, right? What the heck? How can someone win twice? I haven't won anything in my life. I don't know, man. Well, he ain't here, so we're gonna re-roll. Give it to the person of your choice. I will give it to H Trades for Real. There, you just won something, buddy. There you go. H Trades for Real. Let me put that in my Google Doc. H. Where's your name before I lose it? H Trades for Real. You're lucky. He's donating it. And masked trader Ricks, who run earlier tonight, says you can donate my boot camp. I won't have time for it. Okay, cool. We'll roll for a couple more. All right, so we have, with that, if he's gonna donate his, we have 2 more. We have 2 more. So this will be 3, and then we'll do 2 more after this. Alternator 33. Alternator 33. Sure, man. Appreciate you donating it. Alternator 33. Type something in chat. Alternator 33. Are you here? Are you here, Alternator 33? I'm going to give you about 10 more seconds and we're going to remove you and move on. All right. I see you. You must not be on the live. You may be behind a little bit. All right, I got you. That's winner number 3. We have 1 more because Masked Trader Ricks is donating his that he won earlier tonight. So last one. Angie Au. Angia Ow, I think is what it is. Angia Ow. You won the last boot camp for tonight. Congratulations. Type something in chat. There you go. I see you. Congrats. Winners, you're going to go into our Discord channel. You can find the link in the video of the description below. Go into our contest channel in Discord. Shoot Slacks a message. Let him know that you won one of the boot camps on Brad's night shift stream, and you'll need to send a screenshot of your YouTube ID, and then he'll hook you up with all the details. Congratulations, guys. You're going to love that boot camp. It is an absolutely fantastic trading education, the best on the planet. All of these people, I mean, almost every single stream that we have, people are constantly buying the boot camp for someone else. Someone is buying the boot camp for someone else. That's how good it is after you take it, you're like, oh my God, I want other people to take this. Congrats. Well, guys, we have reached that time. the last night shift stream of the week. And if you've never been here for the closing of the stream, it's really special. It's a really special moment. Oh, you made a song? We'll play it next week, Fraser. I'll go listen to it. We'll play it next week. I won't be on tomorrow. The market's closed on Friday night, so that we'll be back on Sunday night. We stream on Sunday night when the market opens, Sunday night through Thursday night. Thank you, Fraser. We'll check it out. Remind me when we come back Sunday. But I'm so grateful for the way that you guys support this channel. You show up every single night. You smash that like button. You pass it along. We are on our way to being the most watched night shift day trading futures stream on YouTube. So thank you guys so much for helping that out. It means so much to me. I'm truly humbled to be a part of this community and part of this family with you guys. I'm just one of you, and here we are doing it together. So tonight's session wasn't the baller session that we've had all week, but it's going to be like that sometimes. But we still have New York in the morning. Stay safe in the morning. You got NFP, you got unemployment, earnings, all kinds of big red folder news. So just watch out, stay safe, stay on the sidelines. Make sure you execute your trading plan. Watch Matt in the morning. He'll be trading live his 100K to $1 million challenge. Check out Neon's show after that. And then I'll be back Sunday night. It's now time to tuck you in. Hope you guys have a great night. Hope you have a great weekend. Sweet dreams of green. Kevin Eck, have a great night, buddy. Mac Dabrowski, thank you so much for being here, man. Every time, thank you so much. Mask Trader Ricks, have a great night. One Will Wallace, dude, I really appreciate you, man. Have a great night. Razor, good night, good night. Brad Petty, good night. Vanderos, good night. Brian B. Dog, thanks, man. Have a great night. It's time to tuck in. I am Liquidity, have a great night. Abel Meyer, good night. Lord Kick, have a great night. Marshall Ag, good night. Dan Carey, good night. Dan Emmons, sleep tight, buddy. Duarte Machado, Mark Frank JPN, good night. King of Big Mac, have a great night, bud. Mike Hoop, thanks for being here, buddy. Have a great night. Lewis Futures, good night. This song is so good, you're right. Handsome Dan, tuck in, baby. Turn the lights off, go to sleep. Dave Mac, good night, bud. Thanks, Lord Kid. Thanks, Levi. Love you guys. Have a great night, man. Nah, we do this every night, Levi. We do the tuck in every night.
Sweet dreams are made of green. Sweet dreams of green tonight.
I'm glad you like that playlist. Enjoy it.
Sweet dreams tonight.
Good night, Matt.